Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 BMW X2 with the M Kit, a bold, dynamic, and performance-driven SUV that takes sportiness to the next level. Right away, the X2 makes a statement with its striking coupe-like silhouette, sharp lines, and aggressive front fascia. The M Kit enhances the design with a more aerodynamic front bumper, larger air intakes, and a blacked-out kidney grille that gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. The signature BMW laser headlights with blue accents add a futuristic touch, making sure this SUV stands out both day and night. Moving to the side profile, the muscular fenders and 21-inch M alloy wheels give it a strong, athletic stance. The M Kit includes gloss black side mirrors, side skirts, and an extended roof spoiler, all contributing to a sportier and more aggressive look. The sloping roofline enhances its coupe-inspired design, while the flush door handles and frameless windows give it a sleek, modern feel. At the rear, the X2 M Kit takes things up a notch with an aggressive rear bumper, a sporty diffuser, and dual exhaust tips that hint at the power under the hood. The LED taillights stretch across the back, giving the SUV a wider appearance, while the M badging proudly showcases its performance DNA. Under the hood, the 2025 X2 offers a range of powerful engine options, with the top-tier model featuring a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 producing over 300 horsepower. Paired with BM's X-Drive all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, this SUV delivers thrilling acceleration and precise handling. The adaptive M suspension ensures a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, making every drive engaging and dynamic. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and technology. The M Kit brings exclusive Alcantara sports seats with contrast stitching, an M steering wheel with paddle shifters, and carbon fiber trim throughout the dashboard. The curved 14.9-inch infotainment display seamlessly integrates with the 12.3-inch digital driver's display, both running BMW's latest iDrive system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This X2 isn't just about looks and performance, it's packed with tech, including a head-up display, a Harman Kardon premium sound system, and an advanced driver assistance package for safety and convenience. The 2025 BMW X2 M Kit redefines the sporty crossover segment with its bold design, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology. Would you take this beast for a spin? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content here on Auto Show Cars.